Hey everyone, this video is about the extra credit that is due on December the 17th. Alright, Tuesday, December the 17th, this extra credit's due. Alright, I forget exactly where we left off with you, but in our short lab activity today, you are to draw basically the free body diagram of the mass on a wood block when it was level, and then draw a free body diagram again when you tilted it 10 degrees. All right, so just imagine, if you will, that there's the table. All right, then this line here is your wooden block. Here's your 10 degrees that was mentioned, and there's your mass. All right, now from here, what we need to do is basically draw our forces. All right, so we know that gravity comes straight down. All right, normal force is perpendicular to the surface, so we'll draw our normal force there. Make sure we put our weight there because that's what that force is. All right, and then we need to figure out what's happening, because one of the questions was, is normal force in this case greater than, less than, or equal to weight, or equal to gravity, right? And hopefully what you decided on is that it's actually less than gravity. All right, normal force in this case is less than gravity. All right, because what happens is that you break down your gravity. You break down the weight into components, all right, into vectors. All right, one vector is going to be perpendicular to the surface, just like normal force is. All right, I know that's a horrible straight line, but it's me you're dealing with, so I'm sorry about that. All right, so this is perpendicular to the surface, and so you're going to you need a gravity vector that's exactly opposite of that. All right, so here's your gravity. All right, so this gravity, and what we call this is that since it's perpendicular to the surface, guess what? We're going to call it perpendicular. All right, so that's basically is our gravity or our weight that's perpendicular, or our force that's perpendicular to the surface. All right, so that's what that symbol is perpendicular. All right, then we also have another component. All right, we have our we have this component, and then we have another component right over here. Do that. And hey, guess what? Guess what this component is called? This is, if this one's perpendicular, this one is parallel. All right, because it's parallel to the surface. So we draw that just by F and two parallel lines. All right, so that's that. All right, now here's where the extra credit comes in. All right, the extra credit comes in is to prove that this angle is 10 degrees. All right, so this angle is 10 degrees. Prove that this angle here is also 10 degrees. Now, I want you to actually use words. I don't want to see all of these math theorems and these math definitions. I want your actually words and explanations. All right, words and explanation. Math definitions and theorems and math logic is great. All right, but I want you to actually put it into words about proving why this angle is 10 degrees. All right, so that's your extra credit. That is due on Tuesday, December the 17th. Remember to use words and explanation. All right, see you later.